Good morning to our distinguished stockholders, esteemed colleagues, and partners. It is my honor to deliver this annual report reflecting on the remarkable achievements of the Century Properties Group for the year 2024. This year was pivotal for CPG as we marked significant progress in our business operations, financial performance, and strategic expansion. Buoyed by favorable market strength and government infrastructure investments, CPG successfully navigated both opportunities and challenges. We delivered exceptional financial results and made key strides in our core focus areas, which include addressing the growing need for affordable housing, expanding our geographical reach, and executing an ambitious long-term growth strategy. A key driver of our success has been the alignment of our strategy with the Philippine government's ongoing commitment to infrastructure development. In 2024, the government completed several critical flagship projects under its infrastructure program. These projects are set to significantly improve the country's connectivity, accessibility, and disaster resilience, factors that will directly impact the demand for quality housing. The completion of key infrastructure projects in Central Luzon has improved the flow of goods and services in the region, where many of CPG projects are located, including those from PHirst, our first home business segment. The said projects are not only integral to the country's economic growth, but will also support the expected increase in the demand for housing in the areas where they are located, further strengthening CPG's expansion strategy. The Philippine economy grew by 5.6% in 2024, while the outlook for 2025 remains positive, with projections indicating a growth rate of 6%. This continued growth is expected to be driven by sustained infrastructure development, increased consumer spending, and a favorable investment climate. In 2025, the government expects to complete several major projects, which will open more growth corridors, particularly in underserved regions nationwide, where CPG is focused on expanding its footprint. 2024 has been a banner year for CPG, achieving a 32% year-on-year growth in net income, which reached 2.4 billion, the highest in the company's history. Our revenues also grew by 15%, totaling 14.6 billion. There were key factors that contributed to this impressive performance. Our first home residential business saw a 34% growth year-on-year, contributing 9.9 billion or 68% of total revenue. This robust growth reflects the sustained demand for affordable housing, which remains a cornerstone of our business model. CPG's premium residential segment contributed 3 billion or 20% of total revenue, remaining a vital part of CPG's portfolio and complementing first segment with premium properties. Our strategic shift from longer gestation projects to quicker turnover cycles with a focus on end-use developments played a crucial role in accelerating revenue realization and optimizing capital deployment. Furthermore, CPG posted a 19% increase in gross profit, which amounted to 7.1 billion, driven by the high margins of PHirst and Century Premium segments. CPG's profitability growth was also seen in its 29% increase in EBITDA, attributed to a surge in other income, including higher interest yields and prudent control over operating expenses. To maximize our long-term growth potential, CPG has implemented a twin-engine strategy, which emphasizes the simultaneous expansion of two key segments, PHirst Park Homes and Century Properties, focusing on the more premium market. PHirst continues to benefit from an undersupplied market with a sustained demand from first-time home buyers. The company is committed to making home ownership more accessible for Filipinos, particularly in emerging provinces and regional hubs that are benefiting from improved infrastructure. Meanwhile, Century Properties caters to a different demographic, providing higher-end aspirational homes for discerning buyers. Both segments complement each other, providing balance and ensuring resilience as we meet the needs of diverse customer bases across multiple price points. In addition to focusing on residential development, CPG continues to maintain its commercial leasing and property management operations, supporting the creation of integrated communities for residents and clients while helping preserve the long-term value of our assets. Our aim is not only to provide homes, but also to foster thriving, well-managed developments that enrich the lives of our customers. A critical component of our strong financial performance has been prudent debt management. In 2024, we took decisive steps to reduce our debt by 16%, which includes the redemption of 3 billion bonds in March 2024. This move was in line with our commitment to maintaining a healthy balance sheet and improving our financial flexibility. Our debt-to-EBITDA ratio remains at a very healthy and modest 3.9 times, reflecting our disciplined approach to financial management and a strong foundation for future growth. Furthermore, our equity increased by 2 billion, primarily driven by the retirement of 3 billion preferred treasury shares and the issuance of 2 billion preferred shares. This enhanced our equity base and allowed us to reduce our debt-to-equity ratio, positioning CPG for greater stability and lower financial risk. We also achieved a double-digit return on equity, which marks a significant milestone in our financial performance, reflecting our ability to deliver superior returns to our investors. CPG continues to expand its footprint beyond Metro Manila, delivering high-quality, premium developments that support the evolving lifestyles and aspirations of our customers. Early this year, CPG launched its first mid-rise residential development, alongside new amenities designed to enhance the resort-style living experience for residents. Building on the success of our initial offerings, the second phase of Azure North in San Fernando, Pampanga will feature 4 mid-rise residential buildings and 49 town villas, further enriching this premier master plan community. The first mid-rise tower, launched in February 2025, is targeted for completion by 2027. This expansion coincides with rapid infrastructure development in Central and North Luzon. Strategically located at the heart of these emerging growth centers, Azure North provides residents with convenient access to key destinations in Metro Manila. We are confident that the project will play a key role in driving regional progress in Pampanga and across Central Luzon. CPG also plans to launch new horizontal developments in key growth areas outside of Metro Manila, harping on the company's legacy of delivering unique concepts with best-in-class amenities and essential community features that seamlessly integrate work and life, providing a lifestyle upgrade with value for money in mind. In March, CPG unveiled Century PHirst Centrale Batulao, a 142-hectare mixed-use estate along the Nasugbu-Tagaytay National Highway. Designed around the 15-minute city concept, the estate will seamlessly integrate residential, commercial, institutional, and retail spaces to ensure that all essential services are within proximity. This development is anchored on 3 core pillars: dwell, create, and thrive, offering a holistic, future-ready lifestyle to its residents. Meanwhile, PHirst achieved a significant milestone in April 2025 with the completion of approximately 15,000 homes across various sites nationwide and the successful turnover of 10,000 units to Filipino first home buyers. This accomplishment reflects our unwavering commitment to empowering hard-working Filipino families by providing quality homes and fostering vibrant, inclusive communities. Looking ahead, PHirst plans to launch around 10 projects over the next 2 years, including its first development in Mindanao, set for the third quarter of 2025. The next 5 years will see continued growth and sustained launches from PHirst, highlighting our vision of becoming a leading enabler of first-time home buyers in the country. As we look toward the future, we are energized by the strong growth prospects in the Philippine real estate sector. With favorable macroeconomic indicators, continuous government investment in infrastructure, and sustained consumer demand, CPG is well positioned to accelerate its expansion across the country. Through our twin engine strategy, anchored on PHirst and Century Properties brands, and backed by disciplined financial management, we are ready to seize the opportunities presented by infrastructure-led growth. The government's support from improving transportation, disaster resilience, and regional connectivity will continue to drive demand for both affordable and high-end housing solutions. For our shareholders, CPG's solid performance in 2024 lays a strong foundation for sustainable growth and long-term value creation. Our strategic focus on regional expansion, operational excellence, and sound financial stewardship ensures that we will continue to deliver consistent value to you, our trusted partners. We are grateful for your consistent confidence and support as we broaden our reach and uplift more lives. We remain steadfast in our mission to build homes that enrich communities, elevate standards of living, and shape the future of Philippine real estate. In closing, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our shareholders, customers, employees, and partners. Together, we have achieved significant milestones in 2024, and I am optimistic that we will build even greater successes in the years to come. As we approach Century Properties Group's 40th anniversary next year, I look forward to celebrating this milestone with you, united by a shared vision of building a better, brighter future for all. Thank you.